Django-rest-framework nested serialization not working properly. I have these serializers in my app. As you can see, I am trying a nested serialization with the field schedules and disciplines. I think I followed the documentation, but the nested serialization is not working when I test it. I printed the instance and validated _data objects and tested it on the shell. I start the data in this format. I got a teacher instance and started the serializer like this. It shows true on a serializer.is_valid call. However, when I try to save it, the validated _data and the instance ._dict__ are like that. They don't seem to notice the nested fields, which makes the update method not work. Am I doing something wrong? Here is my teacher model as well.
If you are just sending IDs, then you don't need to add the nested serializer. Just specify the field name of the foreign key or minute field. I am also wondering if it is because you have a def=1 flag? DRF doesn't support nested updates out of the box. You have to override the serializer's update method and write your own update logic. So you'd be seeing an error for this warning if you were sending nested data.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.